guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something different. If you guys have me on Instagram, you guys saw that my Revolution ICU highlighter broke. This one right here. So today I'm going to try to repress it. Hopefully I could do it. And I couldn't find any other alcohol. I only found the rubbing alcohol 50%, so hopefully this one works, because I saw a lot of videos and a lot of posts and people said that it should be 70% to 90%, so hopefully this one works. Anyways, I'm going to be wearing gloves so I don't make a mess, and I do have it in this plate so I don't make a mess either. Okay, so here is my highlighter. As you can see, it's a complete disaster. And I am going to be using the back of my brush to break it and all of that. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm not an expert and I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I smashed it with a brush, and it already looks pressed, so I don't know. But I mean, I'm still going to put alcohol and hopefully it makes it better. Here I go. I don't know how much to put, but I'm going to start really lightly. I still haven't even opened it. Oh dear Lord, is that too much? Okay, I'm putting the plastic back on top. Oh crap. Oh dear Lord. There we go. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right, you guys. And this, oh shit, I broke it more. I think at this point, I don't know what to do. I think I made it worse. It already looked good before. I do have a spoon right here, so I think I'll use a spoon. And I'll put more alcohol. This is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you my mess. I was really sad when this highlighter broke because it's in my project pen and it already had a nice little dent and now it's gone. Okay, I think I need to put more alcohol. This is not a good idea. I think I should have just left it how it was in the beginning. Doesn't come off the spoon anymore. Okay, but it looks like everything's wet already, so I think I'm just gonna put it back in there with my hand. Okay, I think I'm gonna go get a paper towel really quick. I am back with a paper towel, and let's see if this actually works. Okay, it kind of worked. Look at that. Looks weird though. Okay, I'm going to redo it again with a paper towel and try to make it smoother. this is what it looks like now. I'm just going to try to fix the edges. Okay, so I think that's how I'm going to leave it, with that bumpy texture. And I'm just going to clean up the edges and hopefully it looks pretty again. Okay, so here is my highlighter. I tried to clean it the best I could. It's still a little dirty, but it's okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to let it dry for the next 24 to 48 hours and hopefully it still works nice. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.